everybody, welcome to Fatma's Kitchen. And here in Dubai we have started our Ramadan, so I'm just giving you a recipe which you can eat in iftar. It's like a keto chicken snack. I will make a filling for it, so I just need one medium onion. I will cook this onion. I'm making filling with chicken which is already boiled, and I just need 3-4 spices like black pepper crushed, chili flakes, butter, a little bit butter, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 crushed garlic. I'm just gonna make onions a little bit soft, and then we can add our spices and chicken. It will be a creamy like a chicken puff pastry, but we don't use puff because in keto you are not supposed to have carbohydrates. So I'm gonna make it with almond flour bread puffs. So I'm trying it now. Let's see how it turns out. Hello guys, and the onions are getting soft a little bit. I added chili flakes, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon fresh crushed black pepper. So now I will add fresh cream because I want it to be a creamy taste. Usually add 1 cheese slice. Of the fat content in keto diet, so I've added a cheese slice and full fat free. You need to check for the salt and that how much salty you want according to your taste. There are some people who don't like salt too much, and then there are people who take a lot of salt. Anyway, salt is not good for health. Medium. Okay, I will add 1 teaspoon of oregano. It takes a really good taste and good smell. My filling will be ready. Then we will make the bread dough and then we will bake it.
It smells really good. I will try it.
I'm gonna taste it a little bit. How is it? It's perfect. We don't need no more salt, and I don't want too much spicy also, because in iftar you don't want to eat so much spices, and this is exact what I need. Now keep this aside and we'll make dough for it. Okay guys, let's make dough for our chicken marinade. I need mozzarella cheese. This is 150 gram. I need cream cheese, baking powder. I'll put 1 egg because I want to make less amount of bread, and almond flour, the main ingredients. A bit of salt also. So I will heat this mozzarella cheese until it's soft, not cooked, and I'll heat for 10 seconds first and then maybe 5 seconds. Let's see how it melts on what time. Okay guys, I have microwaved it in 20 seconds. It's melted now. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of cream cheese, 1 egg. Our fridge is cooling so much that eggs are getting freeze. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. Okay guys, what happened? The egg was too cold, so the mozzarella cheese became a little bit stiff, so I had to use my hands. I'm putting almond flour, so I'm knead it.
First she put 2 tablespoons and now we're slowly gonna put more.
I'm gonna put almond flour gradually, so how much I need. And we have to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder also. Okay, I have added another spoon because I need tough dough. Now I will add half teaspoon of salt. Okay guys, now the dough is ready. As you can see, it's not so soft, but exact this type of dough I want. And we will divide it and let's start making it. Okay guys, you can make any shape. I'm gonna try first to make a samosa shape. I've lined with the plastic sheet. You can use in parchment paper or any other paper. So let's see. For the samosa shape, you need one round roti, and then you cut it in half, and then okay, now this is the samosa shape, and we're gonna put our filling inside. And because I have closed the door of kitchen, she comes, she's 2 years old, and she comes and and she tries her own experience. Close this from here, and we have a mini samosa. Okay, so the second one is the second one. You just make a small roti and then cut it in half and then make a samosa shape. And she's here too, and she brought the remote control. Yummy, yes, yummy, yum. Try. Hey, yummy. Hamna, it's yummy. Okay, now I will make all these samosa, and I'm planning to bake 2 to tell you how it is, and then we will I will freeze all of the other samosa because I have a lot of dough, and I think I will have 7-8 samosa out of this.
This is a really nice recipe for iftar and Ramadan, because normally we eat samosa, but in keto, like, you can't eat the dough which normal people eat, so this is a really nice dough for keto, like keto samosa. That's really nice.
Guys, my samosas are ready. I've already preheated the oven 250 centigrade for 5 minutes, and then I'll put it in. Okay guys, another thing is this, that I was not planning to make samosa shape, but this is looking more appetizing, and since in Ramadan we can't eat the other samosas, so just to be able to. Okay guys, another samosa filling is this, that you put chicken inside and a little bit of cheese, and then again a little bit of chicken, and then you close it, and this will also be very good in taste. So I'm making samosas, and then I'm gonna freeze them for later on.
Okay guys, so this is the final result my mom made, so I'm gonna be trying it right now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be trying it right now. It's really good. I really think you guys should try them.
Okay guys, I have made these 12 samosas from that dough, and you can keep it in the freezer, and then you can use it accordingly. I baked this on 200 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Just have a look, and in the end I have brushed a little bit of butter on top, and you can see the filling inside. Look. is so yummy. It's cooked from inside or, and you can eat it with mint chutney or garlic maya.
And guys, make sure to subscribe to Fatma's Kitchen for more cooking videos. Bye.